This is another episode of The Clear Pill, 1416. The book that's in front of you is called The Secret Coded Language of the Holy Qur'an Revealed. And the reason that this book is produced, and my name is Fahim Hassan, one of the authors of the book. And the reason why this book was produced was to eliminate the misconceptions about Satan. Many people think that Satan is a creature. It's not a creature. It never was a creature and never will be a creature. It's not a he or a she. It is a corporation. It was started thousands of years ago by a group that is called the Illuminati. The Illuminati started this group. Satan, the company, corporation, you will see it actually in the mouth of the eagle on the back of your dollar bill. And the reason why they place it there, and it makes it look like it's a ribbon, because they're letting the initiates, those who belong to the corporation, realize that in the mouth of this eagle, that corporation can be swallowed up at any time. The corporation that they started is a mixture of many theologies, philosophies, ideologies. But the main ideology is the one that we know that they call Luciferianism. Luciferianism. Many people don't know that that is a religion. It is the alternative religion that is in the shadows. It controls your water, your gas, your electric. You look at something and you see the gas company in your town, you see the water company, but you don't actually know who actually owns that, really. They'll give you something like, well, the state owns it. But what is the state? What is the government? These are things that are not clear in people's minds. They say these words without true definition. They make you think that it's made up of the people. But there's people that's involved in these things, but they're not the owners of the companies. These people belong to something called the Luciferian ideology. And they're all in agreement without the people realizing that they are controlling behind the scenes all of your natural resources, all the textiles, all the books, all the media. And this is one of the misconceptions that mankind is not understanding. It's what is controlling your landmass, your money, especially your money. So we must understand that we have to come to a better understanding of what it is that's actually controlling our society. And like I said, in this book breaks it down so that you can get a better layman's understanding of it. Like I explained to you earlier, the Illuminati is what created the other corporation called Shaitan. Shaitan is, or the devil, whatever words you want to use, it's never been a creature, it's always been a corporation. It's in the mouth of the dollar bill, in the eagle on the dollar bill, and it's called E Pluminus Unum. E Pluminus Unum means one corporation out of many. The original corporation that starts your other corporations that we have today called AT&T or Target or Amazon.com or Ford Motor Company or what you name it, it belongs to the E Pluminus Unum organization. Hopefully you'll get this book so that you can get a better idea of what this situation is that we're all suffering right now. We see things in the news, but the news is compromised. It's controlled by them. They control your news, your newspapers, your radio stations. And I'm telling you again, it's not a creature, it's a corporation. That's why it says that you sign your name with the devil, meaning you signed up for the corporation. And those who are at the high level know it once they rise higher into the corporation. They're revealed to them that they belong to a corporation, that it is not a creature. Those that are on the lower level still don't know. But those on a higher level know this, and by the time they get way up, it's too late. They can't get out. Like I said, the Illuminati started it. The Illuminati is a group of families. In the Qur'an, they're called the jinn people. The reason why they call the jinn people because they believe in secular or worldly understanding. That's why on the back of the dollar bill it says Novus Ordo Seclorum, a new world order, a new order of the world, secular. And that's as far as their minds go. They only see things on a physical level, and they can't see any further than that. They suffer from something called spiritual autism. I'm trying to give it to you as simple as possible, but it's better for you to get this book so it gives it to you in a much more clear way. I say again, this is the Clear Pill, 1416, and this book that you see here, The Secret Code of Language of the Holy Quran, is the book to get. Thank you.